So here we have our obtuse triangle. And I'm going to do the same things that we've done with our other triangles. This is my solid obtuse triangle. And this is my divided obtuse triangle. So here I've labeled the base of my obtuse triangle. And here is my height. The height is external to my triangle. It's out here. So I'm going to go ahead and label it. This is the height of my obtuse triangle. So like we always do when we're first finding the area, we're going to start by doubling the area to find the area of our obtuse triangle. So I have my first obtuse triangle here, my divided one, and I'm going to put the other obtuse triangle on it. So now, what shape do I have? I have a parallelogram. And our formula for finding the area of a parallelogram is to multiply the base by the height. So I'm going to put that out. Area equals base times height. Okay? Now, just like in every other example we've done, when I double the area, in order to find the area of just one of my obtuse triangles, I need to divide it in half. I need to split it in half. I need to divide it by 2. So we're going to divide this whole thing by 2. So this is our first option to find the area of an obtuse triangle. We can multiply the base by the height and then divide that answer by 2. Again, just like our other triangles, the next way we can solve for the area of our obtuse triangle is to take half of the height. So divide the height in half and multiply it by the base. What that looks like for the obtuse triangle is this. I have my height here. I'm going to take half of it and put it here. So, just like we've seen before, I have my base times, my base didn't change, but the height was split in half. So base times the height divided by 2. And again, that was what we did first. So it is in parentheses. We do that part first and then multiply it by the base. So here I have my obtuse triangle. It has a base of 5 inches and a height of 4 inches. Remember, the height for the obtuse triangle is external. It's out here. So I'm going to put those values into my formula, just like we've been practicing. So I have my formula here. It's the first one. It's area equals base times height divided by 2. So I'm going to double the area and then divide it in half. So area equals 5 times 4 base height divided by 2. So my area is 20 divided by 2. So my final answer is that my area is 10 inches squared, or 10 square inches. Let's look at our second formula option. This option is taking half of the height and multiplying it by the base. So I have my obtuse triangle with a base of 7 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. So area equals the value of the base, which is 7, times 12 divided by 2. So because this is in parentheses, we do it first. So I have area equals 7, and then 12 divided by 2 is 6. Half of 12 is 6. 7 times 6. So our area equals 42 centimeters squared, or 42 square centimeters.